Leli cala lalihlehlisiwe phambilini ukuze omunye wabasolwa uFloriana Joseph anikezwe isikhathi esanele ukuba belethe njengoba ayezithwele.
I was afraid to leave that money inside the safe because everyone has an access to that room where the safe was, because we kept documents. We also kept the keys for the rooms of the farm, and also a document for the animals that are being bred there at the farm.
KwaZulu-Natal, inkantolo yemantshi yaseHowick ilihlehlise mhla zingama-30 kwephezulu ukukhishwa kwesiqumo sebheyili ecaleni lokusocongwa kwekhansela le-DA kumasipala omngeni uNhlalayenza Ndlovu ngo-2023. Kubikwa ukuthi inkosi yakwaNxamalala uSimphiwe Zuma, uThabo Chonco, uThobani Hlongwa kanye noKhayelihle Shabalala babulala uNdlovu ngenxa yokulwisana nenkohlakalo ababandakanyeka kuyo abasolwa.
We knew more than a year ago of Zuma's involvement, of Butlezi's involvement, and of some of the gunmen. And our forensic team has that necessary information. The bank statements are there. They've managed to track the individuals through cell phone location. So we believe that the prosecuting authority has a case.
Inkosi uZuma itshele inkantolo ukuthi umndeni wayo uthembele kuyo kanti futhi nomsebenzi wakhe njengomholi emphakathini umile njengoba esejele.
The accused might have family, but so did Nhlalayenza Ndlovu. He had a wife and 2 small children. So, you know, I don't buy that. I think as far as the matter that COGTA can deal with and the authority there, I think COGTA is quite competent to put in a replacement until this matter is resolved.
uNdlovu wabulawa phambi komndeni wakhe ngoZibandlela ka-2023.